Welcome back to Binance Market Pulse, your go-to source for sharp insights and fast-moving crypto trends. I'm Shahid, and today we're diving into the post-launch performance of one of the most anticipated tokens in the AI-first blockchain space, KITE. KITE officially launched on November 3rd, and the buzz was immediate. Within 72 hours, it secured listings on KuCoin, LBank, and OKX, signaling strong institutional confidence in its AI payment infrastructure thesis. Binance's Alpha platform kicked things off with a community airdrop, rewarding early adopters and fueling initial momentum. Let's talk numbers. KITE surged plus 138.75% in its first wave of trading, peaking near $1.08 before correcting by 12%, settling around 0.93 as of this morning. This kind of volatility isn't just noise, it's a signal. Traders are reacting to the Space Framework white paper, which outlines KITE's role in the projected $4.4 trillion agent economy. So what does this mean for investors and builders? Multi-exchange listings suggest KITE is positioning itself as a liquidity-ready asset. The AI narrative is heating up, and KITE's Layer 1 architecture is built to scale with autonomous agents. Token unlocks and early staking rewards may introduce short-term price pressure, but long-term utility could stabilize the curve. Sentiment across Binance Square and Twitter is cautiously bullish. Many are watching how KITE integrates with Optimism's ecosystem and whether its payment layer can deliver real throughput. The next milestone, developer onboarding and dApp launches, expected later this quarter. That's your KITE Market Pulse. Fast, focused, and future-facing. If you're staking, trading, or just watching from the sidelines, keep your eyes on how this token evolves in the AI-first blockchain race. Don't forget to follow us on Binance Square for real-time updates and exclusive drops. Until next time, stay sharp and stay crypto curious.